Hey, this is Tobin at Virtual Storefronts, and wow, this is a cute town. It's Andrews, North Carolina. And wow, this is neat. What's this? Hoppy trout, brick oven pizza. That looks good. But it looks like they might be closed because the open sign doesn't look open. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, the door's locked. Oh, what's that? Oh, scan here to see what's inside. Oh, let's see how that works. Let's open that up. Oh, what's this? See what's inside. I think look, they have beer flights and apparel and nacho plates. I think the family might enjoy this. I think that they have non-alcoholic products. I see. Event catering. Maybe the Hochstein event would want some of this beer or food or something. I don't know. Homemade hummus. I didn't expect that. Jalapeno sliders. My wife loves those. That's good. And obviously they have pizza, but I already knew that. Even Google knew that. They got wine for my wife as well. That's great. Oh, and tells me how to get there from where I am. That's handy. Got some few items here. I got cool hats. Yeah, I'm definitely going to check this out. So I'm going to send this over to my buddy Ray. There we go. Now let's meet here later. Cool. Yeah, so now Ray has the link to the storefront. Pretty sweet. It's a pretty convenient little sticker there. It's a lot more convenient than People Love Us on Yelp. Alright, nice. I think there was an hours thing in there too.